Lesson 13.3. Directions. Use the picture graph below to answer questions about the data. Each heart is worth 1. This graph is about favorite colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Over here is where you need to write the totals for each person that chose it, each group. Number 1, which color did the most people like? Number 2, which color did the least people like? Number 3, this one's kind of tricky. More people liked blank than blank. More people liked what color than what color? Number 4, less people liked blank than blank. Number 5, how many people were asked in all? Number 6, which two colors equal the same total as blue? Blank and blank or blank and blank? So there's going to be two colors that you can add together that equal the same total as blue. And then here's another two different colors that you can add together that equal the same as blue. Number 7, which color is your favorite? Add a red heart to the picture graph for the color that is your favorite.